How to cancel YouTube TV free trial. Step-by-step guide. Let's get started. So to cancel a YouTube TV free trial according to AI of Google, you need to navigate to YouTube's TV settings, then to your membership, and then finally select the cancel button to end the trial before it automatically converts to a paid subscription. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first thing you want to do is access the YouTubeTV.com and then go to the app on your device and go to tv.com or tv.youtube.com. And then you will see in there, you need to sign into your account, like your YouTube TV account. Then open the settings and click your profile photo. Then go to the membership in the settings menu and find and click on the membership section. Then manage the subscription, look for the money section related to your base plan, and then click on the cancel to end the trial. Now here's also an official guide by YouTube by Google. So to cancel or pause your YouTube TV memberships, you can cancel or pause your YouTube TV membership at any time. So when you cancel or pause your membership, you'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your payment period. So canceling YouTube TV does not immediately remove your access to the service, even during the free trial period. So if you'd like to cancel and remove access to YouTube TV right away, you can get in touch with the customer support as well. So if instead of doing this step by step and if it doesn't work for you, you can try contacting the support system and your team to contact them in order to cancel the subscription.